Kind of hungry. Let's make a late night snack. I made some homemade granola the other day. So basically, I'm just about to eat the granola like some cereal. And I also made some cashew milk as well. So it's basically like perfect timing for the both of these to be paired together for this tasty little treat. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I saw this girl on TikTok saute her bananas a little bit and put them on top of her oatmeal. And I was like, I'm about to copy that idea, except I'm about to put it on top of granola. Because look at these bananas. The way my mouth is watering for this right now, I can't put it in the bowl fast enough. Giving my cashew milk a good little shake, and oh my God, the moment I have been waiting for. One of my best buds is in town. We going to the Bruno Mars concert. So, of course, I'm taking y'all with me. I even got her this cute little gift bag, and it just has like a lot of self-care stuff in there, like eye patches, lip balm, tea, just a plethora of girly things, face mask, stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted her to feel welcome. Of course, Ben's, he don't care. It's finally time to start getting ready for the concert, so I'm doing a little pre-game and just getting ready for the night itself. It is raining outside currently, but we're gonna make the most of it, and it is what it is. I mean, it is Bruno. Hello. I'm super excited about how my curls turned out. They're so light and bouncy.
All that I ask is that you protect everyone in this audience. Protect everyone on this stage. Give my band and I the power and strength to give this city a show they'll never forget.
And that's why I be like, damn, people don't like being in their house. They always gotta be on the go. I be in the house. I be in the house.
Boss from Miami to New York tonight. Anytime you're good. From Miami to New York. You guys should meet us tonight. See it? Hi, I'm trying to get a flight tonight, for tonight, from Miami to New York. Yes, I know there's a hurricane. You don't get to write anything.
I woke up this morning bright and early so I can make us breakfast because I'm taking my bud to the lake for some much needed relaxation and a yap session. Yay. Woo! I got this little thing called a clipper. So you can use it to hook your purse on everything. You motherfucker. You know, black women, we don't like to just put our shit anywhere. Just do it like this. There we go.
Because you ain't got no tan. Like, damn.
The vibes are right. The views are immaculate. Love days like this.
But it don't burn how it appears. This true, you could make me melt. But don't you forget it if the person you fell for.
Oh, yeah. In and out, people.
Don't ever do for reasons. It's only because you ain't here. I can't feel it in the air. My cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all clear. I don't even care as long as you're wait.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Oh, we coming through?